What is going on, my YouTube friends? Guys, I'm so happy I can't see straight. This is an update. Oops, I'm sorry. Oh, man. Oh, ooh. That's a little bubbly. Pig. And just to let you know, my mother's maiden name was Pig. So, hey, man, I guess it all just goes in a row, right? Her name was Juanita. So me and my brothers used to run around and say, hey, you want to eat a pig? I'm sorry. I apologize for that. Mom, I love you. But anyhow, guys, I'm overexcited, man. Overly excited. Guys, I'm finally getting a license for Lee's Auto Parts. I gotta fill all the paperwork out. Yes, that says State of Michigan, Department of State Lansing. This is for the request of my license for the Junkyard. I'm overly excited. I don't know what to do. 9 years. 9 years. I've been working on this for 9 years. What do I do? I'm so flabbergasted. I got to fill all this paperwork out. So I got to fill all this out. I can barely read. Oh boy, I'm terrible. Yeah, what do I do? What do I do? Man, I'm excited. Are you excited for me? Because I'm excited. 9 years. 9 stressful years. In the last year, I've left it alone. I've left it alone. And I'm beside myself right now. I just don't know what to think. I really don't. 9 years. 9 years I gotta fill this out. Instruction booklet. So it's going to tell me all how to do it. Please note. Love it here. Love it here. Guys, I'm happy. I mean, I'm still stressed out, don't get me wrong. But I'm extremely happy. I'm extremely happy. I got to take my penny beagle. I got to take her to get all of her shots. We switched hospitals, and Banfield, the hospital that I had her going through, neglected to send me the records. So I had to call and say a few choice things to them, and they sent me the records, and she's past due on everything. So I'm like, geez, old Pete's, man. So now I got to take her in and get her all of her shots, you know. If these hospitals, they don't care about nothing, you know. So I got to go. I got to get this filled out. I got to get all my bonds and everything, my insurances, everything in order. And yeah, nothing but a party. Guys, I appreciate each and every one of you, you know. And thank you and wish me luck, man, so I can finish this up and get her done. We'll be going. We'll be running like a madman. I got over 300 cars in there, man. I got parts to put on the internet for sale. I got cars put on the internet for sale. Ooh. It's time to start making some of that money back that we spent on cars and stuff like that. Me and my dad. You know what I mean? He's 88 years old. We got a guy that's going to come down and help us. This is great, man. Guys, I appreciate each and every one of you. Thanks for watching. I really do. I know I said this once already, but I'm just, you know what I mean? This is a good high. Hey, man, thanks for watching, guys. And we're going to get this done. We're going to get her done finally after 9 years.